Mr. McLover.
Hey guys, first fraction we're going to simplify is 8/10. To simplify fractions, we're going to be canceling out like factors. And by that I mean we're going to separate the top and bottom numbers into their factors. Like 8 can be thought of as 2 times 4, and 10 can be thought of as 2 times 5. Cross out the like factors, cross out the 2's, and you're left with 4/5. Next up, 4/16. They're both even, so we'll just think of 4 as 2 times 2, and we'll think of 16 as 2 times 8. Cross out the like factors, and we're left with 2/8. But you can separate 2 into 2 times 1 and 8 into 2 times 4. Cross out the like factors, and you're left with 1/4. Now this would be faster if you just realize that they share the factor of 4. Like 4 is 4 times 1, and 16 can be thought of as 4 times 4. Then you just cross out the 4's and you're left with 1/4. Remember, you can only cancel them out when the numbers match. Next up, 2/12. Now 2 can only be thought of as one thing, and that's 2 times 1. And then 12 you can think of as 2 times 6. Cross out the like factors and you're left with 1/6. Next up, 6/24. Think of some factors of 6, like 2 times 3. And we'll think of 24 as 2 times 12. Cross out the like factors, and then you realize that they still share a factor, so 3 can be thought of as 3 times 1, and 12 can be thought of as 3 times 4. Cross out the like factors, and you're left with 1/4. A quicker way to do it would have been to realize that they share the factor of 6. So 6 can be thought of as 6 times 1, and 24 can be thought of as 6 times 4. Cross those out, and you're left with 1/4. Next up, 4/48. We'll just separate 4 into 2 times 2, and 48 into 2 times 24, which is half of 48. Cross out the 2's, and they're still even, so you can simplify it further. 2 into 2 times 1, 24 into 2 times 12. Cross out the like factors, and you're left with 1/12. A quicker way would have been to realize that they share the factor of 4. 4 is 4 times 1, and 48 is 4 times 12, and then cross out those like factors. 6 can be thought of as 3 times 2. And some factors of 21 are 3 times 7. Cross out the like factors, and you're left with 2/7. And that's it. Nice work. See ya.